Hallo liebe Kinder, wie geht's? I hope you all are doing well. So it's been a month that we have not dealt with the subject, but now we have to start revising so that we can go ahead with the next chapter. The first slide here is Wir wiederholen. We are going to revise the first chapter that we learned in April. Okay? So in this slide or in this PPT, we are just going to revise the first chapter. So let us begin. So I just want to give a small instruction over here. Most of the slides over here are small activities that we are going to do in the live session. We are going to practice everything here orally. We are going to form small dialogues, okay, one after the other. So if you are watching this video at home, I want you to still practice it on your own. Form small dialogues to remember or recall whatever we have learnt in April. Okay? So the first activity here is a mini dialogue. The question is always, was ist oder trinkst du nach Corona-Krise? So right now we are all sitting at home and we have spent almost 2 to 3 months at home, correct? So here it is a small activity, and since our topic was eating and drinking, so the activity here is we have to ask each other, what will you like to eat after all this ends, when all the restaurants are open? So what will you like to eat that you cannot eat at home? Okay, so many of you must be having some wishes that after this all ends I will eat a burger or I will eat a pizza, correct? So we have to share our own likes and dislikes over here. Zum Beispiel, was isst du nach der Corona-Krise? Nach der Corona-Krise means after the Corona crisis. Was isst du nach der Corona-Krise? And the answer could be anything. Zum Beispiel, ich esse einen Kuchen. I will eat a cake. So maybe I have not eaten a cake since 2 months. So I will eat a cake. You can answer with anything. Zum Beispiel, ich esse Nudeln. So what is the thing that we have to remember over here? For all the masculine, you will say einen. For all the feminine ones, you will say eine. For the neutral ones, you will say ein. And for the plural ones, you will not use any article. Correct? Then here is an activity where we have to share with our friends what you cannot eat at home, or although you make it at home, it does not have the same taste like the restaurant, which we are missing since 2 months, right? So the question is, was isst oder trinkst du nicht zu Hause? What you do not eat or drink at home, or you only like to eat it or drink it in the restaurant. And the answer can be anything. Ich esse keinen Hamburger zu Hause. I do not eat a burger at home. Correct? Oder ich esse keine Pommes zu Hause. I do not eat any French fries at home. So here we are dealing with the topic negation. Keinen, keine, kein and keine. We have learnt this in first chapter, correct? Great. So now here we have a small role play. We will have a mini dialogue between two people, one of whom will play a waiter in a restaurant and the other one will be a guest or the customer at the restaurant. So here down left hand side I have given a menu card. So the customer has to read the menu card and order any of the things with the correct article. Okay? So the question is always, was möchten Sie bitte? What would you like to have? The waiter will ask. And the customer will say, ich nehme oder ich möchte. Any one verb is correct. For example, ich nehme eine Tomatensuppe. Correct? So I have chosen the first dish from the menu card. Menu card is Speisekarte. Speisekarte means menu card. So the first dish is Tomatensuppe. and Suppe is feminine. So I will say eine. Correct? Or again, any answer could be possible. For example, ich nehme eine Spaghetti Bolognese. Bolognese is actually a dish from Bologna. Bologna is a country. So Bolognese means from Bologna. So ich nehme eine Spaghetti Bolognese. Oder ich möchte eine Cola. Ich möchte eine Limonade bitte. Okay? So with the previous Speisekarte means menu card. Some of the pairs can practice. So here I have one more Speisekarte for remaining groups. Okay, we will try to practice with more and more pairs. So for remaining groups can have this Speisekarte which has similar dishes over here, and with the same pair of question and answer. Was möchten Sie bitte? Ich nehme oder möchte einen, eine or ein dash bitte. Zum Beispiel, ich nehme ein Hähnchen mit Pommes frites bitte. Hähnchen means chicken. Okay? And here I have again one more activity, a small activity. Magst du? Magst du means do you like? So for example, magst du Obst? Now this is a yes no type question. So you can either say nein or ja. For example, nein. Nicht so gern. Ich esse lieber Pommes. I would rather like to eat French fries. Okay. So Obst and Pommes I have marked in a different color, a purple color. So these two can be replaced with any other dish. Zum Beispiel, magst du Salat? You can say, nein, nicht so gern. Ich esse lieber Pizza. Okay, so instead of Obst and Pommes, you can write anything. Or you can say also yes. Ja, sehr gern. Yes, I like to have fruits. Obst means fruits. Okay. With this also we will be practicing in pairs, so that more and more people can practice. So I hope you are well versed with the first chapter now and ready to start with the next chapter, lesson number 2.